A rectangle has sides of a length 5x minus 7 and 2x plus 3 centimeters. And so here is our rectangle. And it says write down and simplify an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of this rectangle. And so the perimeter is the distance around the shape. Okay, and so we have to find that what we have to do is we have to take the side lengths and we have to add them all together. And so that's how we're going to figure out the perimeter. So for the perimeter, notice that what we have here, this side is 2x plus 3. And since we're dealing with a rectangle, this side must also be 2x plus 3, all right? And this side right here is 5x minus 7. And since we're dealing with a rectangle, this side must also be 5x minus 7, all right? And so if we're trying to figure out the perimeter of this shape, we have to say 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3, accounting for this side and this side. We have 5x minus 7, that's this one, plus 5x minus 7, that's also this. And so we account for those two. And so what we need to do now is we need to simplify this expression. So we're going to gather up all of our terms that have x in it. So that's 2x, 2x, 5x, 5x. We add them all together. So we have 2x, 2x, 5x, 5x. And then we have to use, now we have to take our numbers, right? So we have 3, 3, negative 7, and negative 7. Again, 3, 3, negative 7, and negative 7. Now let's add up all of our x's, or we add up all of our terms that have x in them. And so notice that the first thing that we do is we say 2x plus 2x is going to be what? 4x, and 5x plus 5x is 10x. We just put 3 plus 3, negative 7, negative 7, negative 7, negative 7. We just bring them down. Now we have 4x plus 10x, and 4x plus 10x is definitely 14x. And then we have 3 plus 3, negative 7, and negative 7. We bring them down again. And so what is 3 plus 3? Well, 3 plus 3 is definitely 6. And then we have 7. So we have 3 plus 3, which is definitely going to be 6, all right? And then we have negative 7 minus 7, and negative 7 minus 7 is negative 14. So we basically have 6 minus 14, and 6 minus 14 is definitely negative 8. Again, 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6, and then negative 7 and negative 7 is negative 14. So we have 6 minus 14, and 6 minus 14 is negative 8. And so we have 14x minus 8, and that's our answer for here. And so the next thing we're going to do is the question states that the perimeter is 90 centimeters. You want to form an equation, then use it to find the value of x. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this expression that we just figured out, which is an expression that this expression is expression for the perimeter, all right? And so that's 14 minus 8, 14x minus 8. And the numerical expression, or the numerical value, I should say, of the perimeter is 90. So both of these, this is the algebraic expression for the perimeter, and this is the numerical number or the numerical value for the perimeter. So both of them are referring to the perimeter, so they must be equal because both of them represents the perimeter. And so that means that these two should be equal. So we have 14x minus 8 is equal to 90. And so what we're going to do is we're going to send the negative 8 over the equal sign. When we send it out, we have 90. This was a negative 8. And now it's going to be what? Positive 8. So we have 14x is equal to 90 plus 8. 90 plus 8 is definitely going to be 98. So we have 14x is equal to 98. Next, we divide both sides of this equation by 14. This cancel with that, so we left with x is equal to 98 divided by 14, and 98 divided by 14 is definitely 7. So x is equal to 7. Next, it says, hence calculate the length of the sides of the rectangle. So we're gonna first calculate the vertical side. That's this one, which is 2x plus 3. Remember that x is 7. So since x is 7, we're going to substitute 7 into this expression. So we have 2 times 7 plus 3. 2 times 7 is definitely 14. So we have 14 plus 3, and 14 plus 3 is definitely 17. So the vertical side is going to be equal to 17. And then we have the horizontal side. So the horizontal side is 5x minus 7. Remember, x is 7. So we have 5 times 7 minus 7. 5 times 7 is definitely 35. So we have 35 minus 7. And 35 minus 7 is definitely 28. So the horizontal side is 17. I'm sorry, so the vertical side is 17. And the horizontal side is 28. And that's the answer to this question.